Working with external data has always been extremely painful. It's too much coding for non-coders, too much reading for non-readers. Every data has its own API, every API has its own quirk. Nothing about the process is easy. That's where Lychee comes in. Connect to any data source you could possibly imagine, not a single line of code. I'm Mr. Pink, creator of Lychee, and in this video, we're going to learn how to connect to CoinGecko API using Lychee without a single line of code. CoinGecko is the most reliable API for cryptocurrencies for developers and traders. I created this integration request from a user, Timon GTY. Let's try to do this in under a minute. Head over to integrations. CoinGecko. You can see trending coins, trending NFTs, trending categories, supported currencies, market data, exchange data, derivatives data, NFT data, exchange rate data. Let's take a look at the trending coins. This is over a 24-hour period. And the most recent coins get pulled. You first see a preview. We can head over to your data to view the full data set. We can also take a look at column properties. Just as a preview, I'll make a dedicated video, but you can filter, you can search CZ. And then head over to charts, select a bar chart name, and let's set the y-axis market cap rank. And then head over to our left menu and head over to AI. First have to save the data. Bada bee, bada boom. We can turn this today's 24-hour coin market data into a full-blown report. And there we go.
Bing, you blow their brains all over your nice Ivy League suit.
Article with an outline of the article along with the article. I mean, look at this. We're even going into information pertaining to similarities in coins. I mean, if this is not beautiful, I don't know what is.
Round 2, fight.
For your sake, because I don't want to make this video too short, let's request one more set of data from CoinGecko. Let's go to integrations. Let's get exchanges data. See what's going on with the exchanges. Okay, and see how instant that was. One button click is all it takes. We can take a look at the data sheet. Let's take a look at the data types. This basically enforces the types. Let's take a look at the charts. Bar chart. Let's take the names to the trust score. We can see the highest trust score. Take a look at the 24-hour trading volume, and we can see Binance has an incredibly high trading volume. So select a color palette. It's nighttime here, so okay, there we go. Simple. Save that. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.